228 species in genus Cordia. Cordia, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. The world of botany is a vast and fascinating one, filled with an incredible diversity of plant life. As an enthusiast, I'm always eager to delve deeper into specific genera and explore their unique characteristics. Today, I want to share my insights on the genus Cordia, a group of flowering plants that has captured my attention with its remarkable adaptability and diverse applications. What is Cordia? Cordia is a genus belonging to the borage family, Boraginaceae. This intriguing genus comprises approximately 228 species of shrubs and trees distributed across the globe, predominantly in warmer, tropical, and subtropical regions. These plants are known for their rough, hairy leaves, a characteristic trait of the borage family, and their beautiful, clustered flowers that range in color from vibrant red-orange and yellow to pristine white. A closer look at Cordia species. The Cordia genus boasts a rich variety of species, each with its unique features and uses. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The many faces of Cordia. One of the aspects that I find most fascinating about Cordia is its versatility. These plants have been utilized by humans for centuries for a variety of purposes, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. Ornamental plants. Many Cordia species, with their vibrant flowers and attractive foliage, are cultivated as ornamental plants in gardens and landscapes. Timber. Some species, such as Cordia aleadora, are prized for their durable timber, which is used in construction, furniture making, and other woodworking applications. Edible fruits. Several Cordia species bear edible fruits, which are consumed fresh or used to make jams, jellies, and preserves. Medicinal uses. Traditional medicine systems utilize various parts of Cordia plants for their therapeutic properties. For example, the bark of Cordia mixa is used to treat coughs, colds, and diarrhea. Environmental benefits. Cordia trees play a crucial role in their ecosystems, providing habitat and food for various wildlife species. They also contribute to soil conservation and carbon sequestration. The beauty of Cordia. Beyond its practical applications, Cordia holds a special appeal for me due to its aesthetic beauty. The vibrant colors of its flowers, the texture of its leaves, and the overall form of the plants create a visual harmony that I find captivating. Whether it's the fiery red-orange blossoms of Cordia sebastina or the delicate white flowers of Cordia boissieri, each species has its unique charm. Conservation of Cordia. While Cordia is a widespread genus, some species face threats due to habitat loss, overexploitation, and climate change. It's crucial to recognize the importance of conserving these valuable plants and their ecosystems. Efforts such as sustainable harvesting practices, habitat restoration, and ex situ conservation can help ensure the survival of Cordia for future generations. My continued fascination with Cordia. As I continue to explore the world of botany, I'm certain that Cordia will remain a genus of great interest to me. Its diversity, adaptability, and beauty are a testament to the wonders of the plant kingdom. I encourage fellow plant enthusiasts to delve deeper into this fascinating genus and appreciate the remarkable contributions it makes to our planet. I hope this article has provided you with valuable insights into the genus Cordia. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or simply curious about the natural world, I trust that you'll find something to appreciate in these remarkable plants.